Alright, let's be real. You've tried everything with your adhesive formulations, but nothing sticks. Literally. Forget those endless, boring technical sessions. This is the only one you'll ever need. I'm talking about 10 proven, ready-to-use industrial adhesive formulations, tested for performance, cost, and compliance across automotive, packaging, construction, and electronics. This isn't theory. It's for real formulators who want real results. You'll get full formulas with trade names and ratios, actual performance data, cost breakdowns, and tested troubleshooting tips. Plus, a live Q&A with the expert, so every question gets answered. Why waste months stuck in trial and error mode, watching your projects flop? Imagine skipping all that guesswork and getting results now. That's what this session is. A shortcut straight to the good stuff. Inside, you're unlocking 10 advanced, ready-to-use formulations, hot melts, solvent PSAs, waterborne acrylics, and structural epoxies. You get the exact ingredients, trade names, regional alternatives, and mixing parameters so you can hit the ground running. No guesswork, no stress. You'll also get real-world performance data, peel, shear, saft, viscosity, the works. And yes, you'll learn how to cut raw material costs by up to 25% while keeping top-tier performance. Struggling with charring, foaming, adhesion loss, or sustainability issues? You'll find proven solutions for all of them. And for the compliance pros, every formulation aligns with VOC and global regulatory standards. Whether you're an R&D chemist, technical manager, or manufacturing engineer, this is the fast track you've been searching for. Stop guessing and start know-howing. Be the adhesive expert your team can't live without. Click the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now. And don't forget to check out OnlyTRAININGS Academy for hundreds of expert-led, on-demand courses designed by top industry professionals.